What's going on, guys? Demont back with another video, and today we're doing an unboxing of the double major tarot deck. Finally, the fool falls off the cliff. So of course I found these off of Amazon, and they're published by Golden Age. That's the strength I see. And see, the thing about this deck is I think there's two of every major arcana, or I think two of every, well, let's see. A double major tarot deck consists of a total of 76 major arcana cards, 22 secondary major cards, 16 original court cards, and 16 secondary court cards. A Korean English guidebook is included. Check the new features of each card right now. You would get much better inspiration. That's the Magician. Oh, and this is what they look like, right? So you get two of everything. So this is basically like it's like the regular, you know, traditional tarot, and then you have, what is that, the after tarot? So it's sort of like that. I do want to get the in-between tarot, but I feel like at this point I got so many damn decks, y'all, that I'm going to be unboxing. But yeah, oh look, that's the book. Right before he hits the cliff, right? In traditional. Ooh, I love the back of the cards. It's like that. I could be wrong, but it's like that Louisiana symbol. And then see, so this is before the cliff, right? And your typical, and then right after, he falls right over. Look at the cat though, so cute. A white cat too at that. Oh, well, there's your Korean. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, there we go. All right. I just want to, okay. So the English is like in the N. Okay. Let's see. Oh, shit. Without destroying the cards, right? Yeah, but I needed, well, I didn't need to, but I definitely wanted to replace my my Rider-Waite deck that was destroyed. Well, actually, I gifted that to a friend, and then it ended up getting destroyed in the rain. Moments, like literally, like it 2 days after I didn't give it to the person. But yes, neither here or there. Before I even do anything, let me close this leaf up. Don't want to cut nobody. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy. I am kind of sick. Not like anymore. I am a little stuffed up, but I'm recovering from being sick. So, alright, just to stick it. Oh shit. There we go. So I'm just gonna go right into it. Like, I'm not going to spend too much time because there's a lot we have here. So. Sorry guys. Okay, because look, 5 minutes in. Ooh. Oh wow. Maybe I'll show off. Wait, what? Oh, Emperor. Because I'm like, wait, what? Wait, did I show off the Emperor? I don't know. I'm already losing it. With the Hierophant. Alright. Oh yeah, this is definitely like after Tarot. So just like Adam and Eve, you know, in the Garden of Eden, and then here they are outside of it with the lambs, right? Herding the sheep. Chariot. I do appreciate the added POCs, right? The diversity, and also to the details and the coloring too, and the way they feel is like very smooth. It's like smooth to the touch, front and back. It doesn't really feel like paper, more like plastic, but not like a bad type of plastic though. It's very sturdy is what I'm really trying to get at. Like if you like put a little drop of water, these cards really would be unhinged. Oh, I don't know why I flipped it over like it's the vice versa cards. See, he's usually on his journey, and now he's rested. This is already, at that point of within, you've reached a point. I mean, that's how I look at it, but it can all be interpreted differently. Ooh, yikes. I don't know why I'm quiet. I'm just like taken back by the illustrations. They really are like, wow. Wow. Talk about fire, right? But like this is like, it's not even like, well, the sun is out, but it's like, I don't know, for some reason the way the light is making it seems like, it just seems this, I don't know, this is a very bright card. Even though this is Sagittarius, right? Temperance is Sagittarius. It still could be a combination of Sagittarius and Leo, though. This how much of the light and the yellow is here. But these are major arcana, so it's usually multiple signs anyway. Oh wow. It looks like something from Where the Wild Things Are. I know that's right. They didn't tame the beast. The tower. Okay. See, alright, so it does look like it's like he's being putting the tower back, but it also looks like he could be trying to break that shit apart. You know, of course, once I read the book, I'm not gonna get into the book, but you know, if the cards pull up whenever I do use it, oh yeah, well, whatever card pulls up, you know, we'll see how they interpret each card, because I have to read for both anyway. Oh wow, yeah, I'm gonna have to pull two. Okay, I'm gonna pull two for this one. Hopefully, I can get like two opposites. I can, you know. So if I pull the star card, I want this star card instead of that one, because it's traditional. This is more of the after tarot type. Same thing with the moon. I would want to pull the after tarot versions of the card. But then you'd be like, well, why don't you just read two of your own? Okay, I'd rather pull the energy though. Star, I'm sorry. We're 11 minutes in. Moon. Sun. Okay. All grown up. Judgment. The world. Okay. Stepping out into the world, right? Page of Cups. Oh yeah, so they do it for all of them then. I don't know, why it seem like that? The deck seems like it's not that big for some reason, even though it's double everything. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. This definitely looks like a this is definitely from something. It's like it's from a painting or something, right? Hopefully one of you guys would know, right? The actual art geeks out there. King of Cups. Is he drunk or does something smell? Probably hungover. Page of Wands. Okay. Little stubble on the chin. Up. The White Rabbit. Down the rabbit hole. Right. Knight of Wands. The horse done ran because he's too busy. Looking for some other tail. Queen of Wands. Sunflower. Oh, I never noticed the cat's hair. Was they like that? I have so many other decks, right? I'm gonna look at my Philly deck and see how that looks. Cause no, I don't think they got that. Ooh. Queen of Wands. Well, at least they don't show off the negative aspects, right? Because this Queen of Wands could have been a whole different other genre, but you see she's more like being more independent, taking care of nature and stuff like that, tending to things that are sensitive, or being sensitive to things that are sensitive. Photosynthesis, right, as well, with that fire and that sun and the earth. King of Wands. See, here we go. Because now this one looks, he's like he's weak, or he's, oh, not weak, but you see how he's very, oh wow, how he's asserting his staff, very forceful with it, right? Power, control. Page of Swords. Did the thing go dead? Sure enough, did. I'm like, why? Knight of Swords. Okay, I think I see what's happening here. We don't have the whatchamacallits. That's what it is. We don't have the regular. Okay. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Yeah, we're almost done now, and I see what they did here. And I read it to y'all, what was included in the deck. And that's why it didn't seem like it was like, why it seemed like it was a little bit light. Page of Pentacles. I'm like, wait, what? Okay. Talk about being creative and balancing this one pentacle. It's like multitasking, I feel like, with that one. If I would have known that, I really could have gotten into details with these, because, you know, 17 minutes. I was trying to have these be an hour video. So, but Knight of Pentacles. Right, and you see the mouse, so he really gonna be moving him. He bucking it and moving now. Because the Knight of Pentacles is usually slow, so here's some type of chaos happening to that slow mobility. Queen of Pentacles. Ah. I wonder if this was probably added. I don't think I've ever seen white peacock. Or just, yeah, this is definitely added. Smoke signals. Somebody's at her feet, I guess. Mercy. Asking for mercy. I guess, you know, asking for some money. King of Pentacles. Yeah, so they don't have none of the minor cards. So that's what this is. So then, well, you may not reproduce, perform, create, do. Okay, this is just like contractual stuff like that, you know. What is that, trademarking? I'm trying to figure out how to use these, right? Like, what would be like like they don't give you like a reference to like how to use the cards. They just go into giving you two different meanings. That's it. Did they even give you a spread? Yeah, so we don't have the Ace of Swords and all that jazz. But that's it. Table of contents. By the copyrighted. Okay. But it's still not telling me. Like, that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay. So maybe. I just want to. Oh, well, how about I just take the book out because we're going to be using it anyway. The double major tarot deck consists of a total of 76 major cards, 22 second major cards, 16 original court cards, and 16 secondary court cards. We don't have the pip cards. That's what they are. Got you. Check out the new features of each card right now. You would get much better inspiration. Okay. I like this. I might use these a lot more for creative purposes, especially when it comes to like my story times, which I don't really want to call story times. I really want to call them movie moments, right? Because if you view my channel long enough, right? I got the gift of gab, y'all. So, it can be a talk show, podcast, movie, however you want it on this channel, y'all. So, and then now that I have my Xbox, we gonna be going live on Twitch. So, yeah. Please make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe if y'all enjoy my channel and what you've been seeing so far. And if you could check that description, right? And follow it and click that link to my Twitch and follow me on there. And I appreciate it. Hopefully y'all will catch me streaming soon. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. The world. At the bottom is the Hermit. Well, there we go. We got our two. We're going to leave it like this. Oh, wow. And that's like Earth. Well, Hermit is the, Virgo. But the world is all four elements. However, it's the actual Earth sign, so that you could have, well, you could be a Virgo, right? But you also could be I think it's all four elements. So just think of the majors and the four elements of Earth. But the world. And that is number, oh yeah, that's like the end. That's 21. 21 and 9, right? Yeah. The world second. She thinks that even the part that she felt free before is a restriction and leaves everything. The baton and laurel wreath are left behind. There are times when people voluntarily go into a trouble on themselves. It would be hard for others to understand why they have chosen to abandon the better conditions, but everyone has their own reasons. There are numerous things in the world that one cannot understand without experiencing them oneself. Experiencing them oneself. It is not because she did not count her blessings. She cannot experience the various aspects of life if she enjoys only the rich background she has been given from the birth. She is ready to make a new start with which worth is wait. She is ready to make a new start which is worth enough to exchange everything she has. Ooh. The World, second. And then we have the Hermit, second, which is number 9. Oh, and what's underneath? The Queen of Pentacles. Wow. What the fuck? You know what? Y'all see me shuffle these cards. All right. Let's see. The tired and fatigued hermit set fire to warm his body. It is time to take a break. The lamp has been extinguished, so maybe the wood fire is the thing which delivers him the warmth in reality. He is warming himself by the fire and reminiscing about his past. Loneliness with no one around now makes him so hard. The hermit has continued to explore the truth, but he has not yet found the answer that he wants. He is stranded in a great fear of wandering forever and finally coming to the end. It is a pity that there is no one to give him a helping hand for now. So basically what I'm getting from this, right, just from this card being pulled and then reading those two, and then honestly looking at what's really about to happen here, somebody's about to give up and drop everything and come towards somebody who's in hermit mode right now, and who's feel like giving up, who's felt like they need a helping hand right now. And I think it's about that time that somebody's about to come in for you. Somebody that you're connecting with, obviously. Somebody who's very stable. Right? Here's the smoke signals, right? So somebody's coming in from a distance, right? Needing help, or right? Or that could be a thing too. They coming in needing help, and you helping them. Life partner situations. I kind of just was watching a life partner. Wow, I was just watching a life partner video before I came to doing this unboxing. So, and you still have the world here in the hermit, and you see now the hermit's back out into the world. So it's just like I might end up crossing paths. Star-crossed lovers. If the star comes up, oh, that's judgment. Still same difference. And the Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So yeah, it's a lot of earth here. A lot of grounding. Oh, wow. Okay. But, again, that's the back of the deck. And in case you didn't know, this has been the Double Major Tarot deck. Finally, the Fool Falls Off the Cliff. Published by Golden Age. Thank you guys for watching. I'll take care now. Peace.